Pretty much since about 2000 since I finished school, 2000. I broke my leg in year 11 and I put on a bit of weight, so I got a bit big in my last year of school. And the year after that at university, I got really into sort of food combining, not mixing proteins and carbs together.
Yeah.
So I was into that. And then I sort of stripped back, and pretty much since then, I've been very focused on all of that sort of side. In the last 12, my wife doesn't drink, so that's really easy for me. And I haven't drunk it over a year and a half now, I think a year and 3 months. So,
really? Nothing at all?
No. As in, I'll drink water.
Okay. No, like no alcohol at all?
No.
Glass of wine, nothing?
No, nothing, no.
Interesting. Is because you don't like it, or is because make you a little bit too crazy, or what's the name?
No, just because I want to be at my optimal, because I've got 3 kids. My life's very busy. I'm running a team in the office. I'm running a business. I've got my business partners. I want to be healthy. I want to be fit. I want to live for a long time as well.
Well done.